On today's Close-Up, the Korean idol group sensation BTS has sold out tickets to its upcoming tour in the U.S. and Europe. Movie director Kim Ki-duk has taken legal action to deny sexual assault allegations against him. And a film on Christianity by a Korean Buddhist monk wins 3 awards from overseas.
A Christian film made by a Buddhist monk has won 3 awards at a foreign film festival. The distribution agency of Sermon on the Mount announced that the film won honors for Best Director, a special award given to sponsoring firms, as well as an executive prize at the Cheboksari International Film Festival in Russia. The film is based on the motif of Jesus' Sermon on the Mount recorded in the Bible's New Testament. In the story, seminary students seek to discover the intrinsic nature of Jesus Christ through hard discussions. What's most surprising is that the film's director is a Buddhist priest named Daehae, who heads the Daehesa International Buddhist Temple in Gyeongsan, Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. The priest said she made the film with the belief that though Buddhism and Christianity are different in doctrine, they share the same fundamental essence. Sermon on the Mount was formally invited to the Moscow International Film Festival last year. At a film gala in Sochi, Russia, the film received the Best Actor award.